The Yeshivat is there in Akko, established 17 years ago in order to strengthen the Jewish identity of the city. And today, Baruch Hashem, we're building the next level of the yeshiva.
A few words about the yeshiva, of course, mainly learning Torah, studying, but also very connected to what goes on here in Akko.
Okay, so the vision of the yeshiva is Talmud Gadol Shemevi Lidei Maaseh, a great Talmud that brings you to do good things for the society. So we are in the yeshiva, we are teaching our students not just to learn Torah, but to learn Torah with aspect of doing good things to the society. Where do you live? So here in Akko, we believe that in order to strengthen the Jewish identity of the city, we're doing a lot of programs with youth and young kids to strengthen the Jewish identity and to keep the Jewish majority of the city.
And for those who aren't familiar, this is a Yeshivat Esder, which means part of the program is serving in the army to give as much as they can to the state.
Yes, of course. So 90% of our students going to combat units in order to serve the country, to serve the state. And we believe that serving in the army contributes a lot to their character.
Many of our potential donors want to know where the money is going.
So now we are going to build 2 classrooms that will we are going to use them to be classrooms for the students of the yeshiva. And next year we are going to open a unique program in the Yeshivat Esder to bring students with special needs into the yeshiva and to be part of the yeshiva and to learn in the yeshiva together with the regular students of the yeshiva.
These are exciting days?
Yeah, of course, this is very exciting days, and I'm calling everyone to be part of this historical moment here in Akko and be part of this campaign and be our partners in this amazing thing we are doing here in Akko. Thank you very, very much.